Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad 11 Air and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Open calendar application, there tap this plus icon, and first we can add title of our event, what you need. There we can add location and make a video call when our event start. There we can set when event starts, on which time, and finish, or by the switch we can set it will be all day. And there we must choose a date of our event, maybe 22 of May. The repeat of that, maybe every year if we need. If you don't need, you mustn't set it. We can change color, which we see in our iCloud. We can invite some people to this event. We can get alert about that, maybe 2 days before. Show us we are busy or free. Attachment to that if we need, and notes. After you set all you need, we press add, and we have it in our calendar right now, as you can see. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.